In today's video, I'm going to teach you a beginner guide how to use Base44. We'll walk through the full journey from opening the site to publishing a live web app, keeping things simple and practical so you can follow along with confidence. First, head to app.base44.com. This is where everything happens. On the main page, you'll notice a built-in chat bot. This is the fastest way to build a web app from scratch using plain prompts. Describe what you want, like the type of app, pages, and basic features, and the chatbot will generate it for you. The clearer your prompt, the better your starting point. So include details like layout, sections, and anything, theme, or style you prefer. If you scroll down the page, you'll also find a library of community templates, both free and paid. Templates are great if you want a head start with common layouts or use cases. Take a moment to compare options. If you need more features, you can go to upgrade your plan and choose one that fits your needs. You can always start on a free plan to explore, then upgrade later as your project grows. To help manage costs, click the gift icon to earn free credits. From there, you can copy your referral URL and share it. Each successful referral adds credits to your account, which helps when you generate more complex apps or publish frequently. Next, click on Apps. Here, you can browse pre-made free apps and select one you want to explore or customize. After selecting an app, open it in the editor. On the left side, use the chatbot to request changes to the page. Things like updating text, swapping images, changing colors, or adding new components. When your prompt is ready, click Send and let Base44 apply the updates. Review the preview and refine as needed. When your app looks good, click on Dashboard. This section gives you access to analytics, domains, and integrations. Analytics help you understand traffic and usage. Domains let you connect a custom address to your app. Under integrations, you can connect supported services to enhance your app's functionality as needed. Once everything is set, click Publish, then click Publish App to confirm. Base44 will generate a live URL for your project. Copy that link and paste it into any browser to see your app live. This is your public, shareable version. Feel free to test it on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks right. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.